welcome back to another vlog. It is a shoot day again and I'll be taking you guys behind the scenes. Today we'll be doing a fashion shoot. So we are doing this for a modeling agency and I got this shoot via Sarth. And he's a photographer, he's mainly into fashion. So we are already on our way to the studio now and I'll see you guys when I reach the studio. So we have reached the studio now and this is gonna be the setup for today. We have this backdrop. So these are the flashlights that he's gonna be using and I just have this SL60 continuous light. So I'll be using that as a key light and apart from that the flashlights. The flashlights will act as a fill light for the video shoot. So we're gonna be using the A7R5 and a 24-70 lens which I got. For the photos he's gonna be using the 50mm prime lens but I would need some wider shots as well. So we have changed the backdrop for now. We are gonna be using this white backdrop instead of the beige one because the model, she's gonna be wearing a bodycon royal blue dress which is better suited on the white backdrop. So guys, we're just done with the first look of the first model. There are 2 more models and there are 5 more looks that we have to shoot. We are changing the backdrop again. This time we are planning to do a completely black backdrop for the second model. He's wearing like a casual outfit for this look. What you can do is I'll give you so you can walk. Then you can turn to the camera and do something with your sleeves or your jacket. You can do like both sleeves and zip up, okay? You can end there. Okay, action. Your sleeves. Down there and look up the camera. We just got finished with the third look and her makeup was amazing. That's why the pictures and the video especially came out really great. So now we are waiting for the second model. So the fourth look is like a really formal kind of look. We'll be keeping the same backdrop and we are also planning to get some sitting shots of the model. So we decided to also give a top lighting over his head while he was sitting. So this is something we used for where he can sit on. We are finished with 4 looks. So we are just taking a break now for a while. And once we are back, I'll also show you guys the other 2 looks that we are doing for today. So I'm in the green room right now and I want you guys to meet the makeup artist for all of the looks that they have done.
That's the artist and the art. This was such an incredible shoot. I think we have an incredible team from the hairstylist to the person behind and the model. I think this is just it couldn't be more better.
It's right out of space.
So guys, we are almost done with the shoot. There's just one last look that is left and for this we are planning to take really close up and tight shots of the model. It's gonna be all beauty shots. So for this shoot we also went down and got some flowers which we're gonna be using as the props for this particular look. So it also matches with the makeup that she's doing and the outfit that she's gonna be wearing. So guys, we are finally wrapped up. That was it for the whole day. We have shot for 8 to 9 hours. We did 3 models and 6 looks in total. It has been an amazing experience for me shooting fashion, and this has been on my vision board since the start of 2024, and that is why this is an achievement for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting this fashion film on this channel itself. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Like a melody in my head that I can't keep out, got me singing like na na na.